What?
Hi y'all, I'm Jason from Missouri. This is 30 miles out. Say what? Let's catch some fish.
Whole Gulf of Mexico had to go right between me and Theresa. Man, it's a see the bottom day today. Holy smokes. Well, good morning people. Headed back offshore. Fort Pickens. It is glass, flat calm, not a breath of wind. We could see the bottom at probably 30 feet. Oh, right there, honey. Oh, right there. Controlling baits in the back. No, artificials in the back. The Missouri crystal minnows and rattle traps. Oh, there we go, fish on. Fish on. Little Spanish. Gotcha plug. No way. Guess I need to get out my speaker. There's a lot of bait right here. Going crazy. There we go. There we go. Small gotcha. Yes, very fast. This one feels like a little better one. Oh, something's fast. I got a side hook, that's one. He's getting mad because I'm on my 4 Spanish. You can't figure him out yet. You got a woman yet, huh? Oh, I side hooked him. So Theresa and I were trolling straight out into the Gulf, about 70 yards apart. This boat comes up. He can go anywhere, but he decides to go where?
Right between us.
Whole Gulf of Mexico had to go right between me and Theresa. Of course, going between our troll, he managed to snag both of our lines on his prop. He trimmed his motor up to let the lines off, and once they were off, Theresa and I were now tangled together. You got Theresa's line and my line. We're good. I think yours popped off. Theresa? I think I'm hooked up. On you? Okay. Did you get caught up in that? Just on me?
Huh?
Did you just get caught on me?
Oh, caught me and that boat.
It's hard to tell, but we were both pretty frustrated. Anyway, we saw another kayaker, thought we'd change the subject and go see how he's doing. How's it going?
Good, how are y'all?
All right. Doing any damage?
Not yet. Isn't that what we're supposed to say? Just got here.
This guy here.
How about y'all?
Bunch of Spanish.
Sure enough. Any size?
13, 14 inches. All small schoolies.
You got stuff blowing up out here, ain't you, y'all?
Just the Spanish is all I've seen. We've been trolling live baits.
Yeah.
And no runs.
And it's supposed to stay like this all
Yeah, I think it switches to a south wind in an hour or two. but it's 6 miles an hour flight.
When you're in a kayak, you're kind of like a motorcycle on I-10 with a bunch of Mack trucks. You gotta watch out and be defensive, right, Theresa?
Yeah, you really do. Watch where they're headed. I always pay attention. I stop fishing and watch where they're headed because, like what happened here, he managed to go right through us, snag both our lines, and get us all tangled up. So be on the defense. Keep an eye out.
Remember, you're the small guy. Whether you're right or wrong, you're gonna lose that battle. So just keep an eye on the big boats and everything will be just fine. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time right here on 30 Miles Out. What?